What's up, you guys? It's Amber and welcome back to a new vlog. I am not in my bedroom, if you could not tell. I am in New York. I am at Timmy's house. I'm currently in his guest room. I'm just getting ready for the day. I am in New York City for something so exciting today. I actually was invited here by this company called Tea Around Town, which is a 90-minute excursion on this gorgeous pink bus where you sip tea and eat pastries and sightsee all around New York City, having a literal tea party on the go. Literally a dream. Of course, I'm bringing Timmy as my +1. He usually is bringing me as a +1 to all of his events. So it's just very nice for it to like be the other way around. Just immediately, as soon as I saw it was a tea party on a fucking pink bus, I was like, Timmy, guess where we're going? And it's also the 18th, which for all of my Ariana fans, we are probably going to be getting some breadcrumbs from Miss Ariana today regarding the 8th album that is existing and that she is coming out with. I'm so shook. But anyway, it is currently almost 8 o'clock. Me and Timmy are going to go for a ride to grab some coffee. So I just wanted to start the vlog. It is beautiful out. Like the sun has been out. The Leo in me is just so happy. Let's go get a coffee. Let's get this day started right. I'm so excited.
When I woke up and I saw
I was right.
I was gagged.
The bitches are back! I'm so excited. And she sounded good.
I love Madonna though, like growing up.
Madonna is an icon.
Like I wasn't like live, laugh, love Madonna.
Right.
Like, she's a classic though.
I was just telling the vlog about our little excursion. How did we
Yes,
feel?
I'm so excited. We're gonna go sip some tea, spill the tea.
I know, that's right.
Period. I got my water.
Cheers.
Cheers, bitch.
But first, coffee. My socks are the vibe of the day. The vibe of life, actually. Let's take a little stroll outside. It's so pretty. Seeing the sunshine makes me so happy. I cannot wait to be in New York City. It's gonna be amazing. Sips tea. I can't wait for us to have a reality show someday. Thank you. Trying a chocolate chip muffin. Hell yeah. I'm just gonna do a black iced cold brew, please. We got the goods. We are about to try Stewart's coffee. I have not yet. The lids are cute. The cup is cute. All right, let's try this shit. That's good. It's got like a chocolatey, like nutty flavor to it.
Does it?
Yeah.
It doesn't have any sugar in it.
Very good.
It's our one coffee that doesn't have any sugar added to. Like there's no sugar in it. And I know,
Cool.
I'm pretty sure you don't like sugar.
Yeah, I just don't like sweet shit.
Yeah.
I do,
It puts me in the toilet. I'm not gonna be too long.
I feel like my makeup bag just looks so satisfying.
I love it.
I just organized everything so perfectly. We're all ready. I'm so excited. It is currently 10:22. We had a nice little get ready session. I am so obsessed with my outfit. I'll show you guys like a better little OOTD when I get into the city. But I have this little like floral tank top on underneath this sheer pink shirt. And I have on this layered necklace. And my nails, I'm so obsessed with my polka dot nails. So cute. And guess what, guys? We're going to the Swarovski store today. We're gonna be seeing Ariana's dragonfly collection, which if you know, you know. Ariana always just aligns with my life so perfectly. Dragonflies are like my symbol with my grandma, with me and my cousin Haley ever since we were little. Dragonflies were like always our thing. So we're definitely gonna go shopping. Yes. We're gonna get something from the collection. I can't wait to have the little box. It'll match my other Ariana Swarovski collection. We have our bags packed. This is my little bag of the day. Michael Kors moment. We got the Carl from Paris.
Thank you, Paris. And the shirt from Paris.
Yes.
We love you, girl.
We're giving spring, pink and blue. I have these pink shades to wear. Oh, my outfit I feel like is giving so spring. Shout out to Timmy for letting me use his self-tanner last night when I got here.
We got so tan, bitch. And we had lots of laughs.
Yeah, we heated up some chicken tenders and fries last night from my work that I brought here, and they were like chef's kiss. Because that's the thing, I didn't even say, like, I literally just started vlogging. I haven't even told y'all like where I've been. I literally came straight from work last night to New York, and it was iconic. And then we just had a nice little bestie back porch session. If you know, you know. You have those with your bestie where you're just chilling on the back porch, spilling tea. That was what we were doing, having our chicken tenders and our fries, and it was just such a vibe. Just the best. I'm so excited, and it's sunny. Seasonal depression, who?
Right.
She's gone. But anyway, bitch, back to the purse. It's cute. It's the moment. The outfit is outfitting. We're both looking so cute. It's time to go sip some tea in our favorite city. Giving Barbie. Hello, New York. All right, we found Ariana. It's literally so gorgeous. Like, are we kidding? She looks stunning. Good. Thank you so much.
Yes.
You just made my whole day. We came to check out Ari's collection.
We still have the special gifts if you purchase anything from this collection as well too. So please
Okay.
take advantage of it.
We definitely want to. I think this is what I'm gonna get. I'm trying on some jewelry. I'm so excited.
And then what are your guys' names?
I'm Amber.
Amber? I'm Timmy. Timmy, look.
We're big Ari stands.
Listen, how was it trying to get her tickets? Did we get it? Did we succeed?
I won the war for Boston. We're still trying to hopefully go to New York together, but
Got you.
how about you, honey love?
No. But I will say I was in a tough position because it was either Gaga for Mayhem or Eternal Sunshine. I won the Gaga one.
Good.
So I was like,
That's a win.
it is. Phenomenal show. Phenomenal show. She's my birthday twin also.
Oh.
So I had to do it.
That's so iconic.
And then I see your green necklace is on as well.
Yes.
You want to just like stack it on top?
That works. Thank you so much. Oh, it's so pretty.
Yes. This one is a little more of like a choker kind of style.
I love
So
that.
have it be like right there. So comfortable.
Oh, that's
And then we have these pieces and we have the other necklaces as well too. Also.
wow. This is the dragonfly necklace. It's so stunning. I love it so much. And listening to Eternal Sunshine while we do this is, oh, and thank you next.
Flower, another dragonfly, and our matrix inspired with the
This
petals.
necklace has won my heart.
Yeah.
Because I love a short, I don't have like a short stacking necklace.
This one, and then maybe that one.
Of course.
Literally in heaven.
Okay, so we said this one, I think.
Yeah. The bottom one.
It is so pretty. I'm torn between the necklace or the ring.
Yeah.
Same thing. Would you like it shorter as well too?
Yes. Wow, that one's really pretty. I'm torn.
Let me check it out.
So even though we do have like the hearts as well too, we do 25.
Okay. Listening to this album in the Swarovski store right now is everything.
I got a ring, Amber got a necklace, and we're gonna show you guys.
So excited. This garden is everything.
How are you doing, lovelies?
Good, how are you
Doing as good as you guys look. I know you're ready for summer. I know you're ready.
I am ready for summer.
Sun is out. Enjoy it.
Thank you so much. We're checking out now.
Perfect.
This is the free gift, and then you get a charm right there.
Oh, that's cute.
Little charm. You guys are like cool.
It's like everything we dreamed of since we were little kids.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
This is yours, okay?
Thank you so
You guys are set.
So cute. We have our little coffee. A little gold spoon and a Swarovski tea plate. Like, come on. Yes.
So pretty up there.
I'm gonna have to go use that before we go. Delicious coffee.
Hey guys, this is a Tim takeover, and we are at Swarovski on 5th Avenue. And Amber and I just bought ourselves gifts because why not? We've been hustling and we've been working so hard. got a ring and Amber got a necklace, and it's so cute. I cannot wait to wear it, and everyone in here is so nice, so kind. And now we are heading to tea around town. $179 for a charm, a ring, and a little souvenir bag. And like the little pouch they gave us.
Thank you, Ari. We love you.
We love you.
We got the bags.
They were so nice in there.
They were so nice. That was a 10 out of 10 experience. My total came to, I think, $271. It came with a free charm. And of course, in my opinion, this is like such a commemorative item too, just having the bag. We'll do a little free gift reveal. It's like a little bag.
A little keychain bag for like your AirPods.
Oh.
And it's engraved with the dragonfly on it.
So cute.
And the box is like little cute vibes.
Oh, obsessed. I love it so much. I'm so excited. Like, the weather's perfect. We're giving Samantha and Carrie
The fuck?
realness. I know that's right. And it's just such a good day. Any day that's surrounded by Ariana. And it's the 18th, so we might be getting some AG8 tea.
Are you excited? Something that is full of life and growing through the cracks of something cold and hard and challenging.
Something?
I love.
Something, right?
Can you calm down?
I have been on my think smarter, not harder shit. I packed some New York City sandals in my bag and I clipped my heels to my bag. I'm thinking smarter, not harder. And that's on growing. That's on almost 30. We're doing a little unboxing. Oh, it's so cute.
I feel like it could be used for like bobby pins,
Yeah.
Advil,
Pills.
Probably put a few nugs in there.
Let's do a little unboxing real quick. Oh my god, this box is what I'm so obsessed with. Like, I can put jewelry in this for the rest of time. Ugh, just the dragonfly. What?
I didn't know what it was gonna be.
Oh, it's a dragonfly. Gorgeous.
That is everything.
I love collecting things. I love being a fangirl. Like,
Right.
the lifestyle I subscribe to. Ah, it's so gorgeous. A little baby dragonfly. Oh, I missed them. I haven't seen any this year yet. I want to put it on, but I feel like I shouldn't because we'll wait until we get home.
Yeah.
I want to do a little cheers. Did you watch Dragon Tales?
Yes.
You remember how they had that little like thing, that little like crystal?
I wish with all my heart.
I wish.
He like shaped like this too.
It was. It's giving that. Cheers. And we have our little dragonfly. I'll wait and open that. And my little AirPods case / mini purse. I'm happy.
Yes. So happy with that. Clutch my pearls.
The heels are back on. We're about to get on the bus. I'm so excited.
I cannot wait.
This is so cute. These cups. Oh my god. Yeah.
They're all pointing at us.
Oh no. The first tea out of pumpkin spice. Thank you so much. You guys, I just lost all my camera footage, but it's okay because I was filming pretty much everything on my phone. I'm so sad because I literally recorded the whole entire past like half hour on my fucking camera. God is testing me so much lately, and you know what? I'm passing. We just got another tea. This one's called Breakfast in Paris. Did she say pear and lavender? It smells very sweet. So I'm about to eat an egg salad sandwich. So good. 8 out of 10. Oh, this is Ariana.
Yes.
So cute. That one's good. It does taste like lavender. This one tastes like the mist thing. Facial spray from Rob. I might have to have the other lobster one.
Got it.
It is dessert time. First, we're gonna start with this little guy. I don't know what it is. I think it's a lemon pastry of some sort.
Yeah, it was like a lemony.
I don't love lemon, but I would give this an 8 out of 10. It's really good.
Right.
Next, we're gonna try this cookie thing. Is it a sugar cookie? Or like shortbread?
It was like a shortbread, but it had a cream filling.
We are gonna try this gorgeous thing here. It looks like it's gonna be either another lemon thing That tastes like more of like a plain shortbread or like a croissant or something. That one's an 8 out of 10. That one's good. Now we have this thingy.
That was really good.
We saved my favorite for last. Cheesecake, and this was like red velvet or chocolate or something. So let's try the cheesecake. My stomach is literally like, help me. Last one. The layers. I think it has like tiramisu in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it does.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I saved this one for last. That's all for now. We're in Times Square. This is so cool being on a bus instead of being like out there just walking around. And on a Saturday too.
Sabrina.
Oh, Sabrina. Queen. I want to try that perfume. We are on the final tier. I'm so sad. I don't want it to be over, but it's almost that time. This one is cinnamon vanilla. All right, we're back in the flip-flops. We said goodbye to the heels, and we are all done with our little excursion of the day. I'm so excited. It was so cute. It was literally just what we needed. 10 out of 10 recommend. It was $90 face value per ticket, and I have a little discount code for you guys. I will have it on the screen and the link down below if you want to book and get a discount. The food was good, the vibes were amazing, and of course the sounds of the city were everything. Tea around town, check it out. What a successful day. I'm so happy.
Me too.
Sipped tea, spilled tea.
City trip vibes.
We're sober too. I'm so proud
Right.
of us. Me and Timmy are playing tourist today and we're going through all the shops. I want to get this for Tundi. We should hold up our bags for a moment.
Right. They don't show us when we live there.
Oh no! Period.
I'm gonna whisper in your ear.
Okay.
One of the glasses off. We do black and white IDs.
I kind of fucked with that. So cute.
Like 2 of each, so it was like
Yeah,
we
it was
tried
like
to
a
try,
little
like,
date.
everything.
I love cheese sandwiches.
It was a
Do you
dream.
like the cucumber ones with cream cheese?
Having ice
And
cream.
little like, so it was like the cathedral. So it's just pretty much around midtown.
You could see out the ceiling of the bus too.
Yeah, I
You
saw
saw this
that.
one?
Yeah. Didn't you guys do one like that before?
No, I
No?
don't think so. With the Your Best Friend Is Still Hot.
No, but we probably have done something silly like.
And then we had to stop at a photo booth, no matter what, if it's like an event. And we found one just on the side of the street in New York City.
I gotta make my coffee to go.
Yes.
Stuart's coffee's pretty good.
Is it?
I'll
I
give it
loves
to
it.
him.
He gets it every morning and he never used to stop for coffee. He would always just make his own in the morning.
It's good. It's tasty. Because I just drink it black. And it's not, it has a
iced.
taste to it, but yeah, but iced.
Do you put sugar or anything?
No, not usually.
Boy,
I love
hardcore, girl.
I love a sweet coffee, but like only once in a while. Oh, did you already show the photo strip?
Alright, put it
On
the phone.
his phone.
All right, we have our beautiful little blue box. Oh,
Ooh, that's pretty, Amber. Where does it fall? Like right around here?
here actually.
Oh, up high.
She had it really short. It has a long and a short setting.
Oh, so you can make it longer if you
Yes.
wanted to. Yeah. Am I being forgetful or am I making things up? Isn't this remind you of your grandma? Okay, that's what I thought.
That's why I
That's
thought
so
I
cute.
had to splurge and get that.
Yeah, and then this collection came out like 2 years after her grandma died, and the fact that it was Ariana Grande and all dragonflies was cool.
Yeah.
That's crazy, yeah. Because I remember you buying her with the earrings last year or something.
Including
Yeah.
This is my favorite picture.
You know, because they do like 6 seconds in between to like pick a pose.
And they didn't show us how we looked. So we had to just like hope we were in frame. Although I feel like it ended up turning on.
At the end, yeah.
When it's so pretty and packaged and everything like that, it's like you don't even want to wear it. Just
I
want to like
know.
put it on your bureau and look at it.
Yeah, so basically you put it on, you hold this end skirt, but
tighten
it's
it
very gentle, and you just pull to.
Oh, so
get
that's how they got
outside
it
you want.
tight. Okay.
Yeah, and then to just you hold both ends to get it
Wait.
out. Sorry.
It's okay.
Tea is in Troy. You should be like a hair model.
That would be cool.
You have like the most beautiful hair. You always
Thank
have had
you.
the most beautiful. Like I can't even.
When I was a
imagine.
kid, I could not even handle it. Like my mom had to pay to get those treatments done to get it to be not so curly.
Do you want it
Yeah.
tightened or just kind of hanging?
That's good, I feel like. I love it though. Oh, it's for grandma.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really a cute little pouch.
Yeah.
Is it an AirPod pouch?
That's what they said, a headphone pouch, but I feel like you can use it
Yeah.
for coins, bobby pins.
Oh, that's so cute.
Why did you just have to go in the city? So you could...
Show him the pictures of the T-boat, the
It
bus.
was so
Let me-
cute.
let me-
And then the
And they went to
Vegas.
the crystal store
Crystal store.
because I can never say
Swarovski.
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 Yeah.
You're starting to sound like Siri.
Siri was going crazy earlier. That's some gorgeous, gorgeous detailing there. This is Ariana Grande.